welcome to my class Easy Maths Jyoti IS Davangere. It's a class for 8th standard students, CBSE, NCERT syllabus and also for Karnataka state students. The chapter name is Understanding Quadrilateral. This is third chapter for CBSE students and fourth chapter for Karnataka state students. In this exercise, 3.1 is for CBSE and 4.1 is for Karnataka state. Find the angle measure x in the following figure in the C problem. Here we have to find the angle measure x. Here 30 degree is given and here two exterior angles are given. Here the two angles are standing on a same straight line, isn't it? And this is an exterior angle for this pentagon. Therefore, here interior these two angle is equals to, here 70 is there, 180 minus 70. What it will become? 180 minus 70 is equals to 110 degree. This angle will become 110 degree. And here exterior angle is 60 degree because these two are linear pair. If one of the angle is 70 degree, another one will be its linear pair. That means 180 minus 70, that is equals to 110 degree. Here also 60 degree is an exterior angle. Its linear pair angle is equals to 180 minus 60, that is equals to 120 degree. It's linear, these two are linear pair. If one of the angle is 60 degree, another one is 120 degree. Now we have to calculate the angle sum of measure of the x. Here two angles are given, both are equal, that is x, and here 30 degree is given. Now it's how many sides are there in this convex polygon? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. First we have to find the angle sum of the pentagon, that is 5 sides are given. Therefore we have to find the angle sum for this pentagon, that is equals to angle sum for pentagon is equals to angle sum for pentagon. Interior angles, all these are interior angles, that is equals to, how many sides are there? 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. It's a rule. 5 minus 2 is 3 into 180, that is equals to 540 degree. Angle sum for this is 540 degree. Therefore, if we add all these interior angles of this pentagon, the sum is equals to 540 degree. Write this, x plus 30 degree plus 110 degree plus 120 degree is equals to 540 degree. Okay students, you got it? First we have to find the angle sum of this pentagon, that is equals to 540 degree. We have to add all the interior angles of this pentagon, that is equals to 540 degree. Therefore x plus x is 2x plus we have to add all these, that is equals to 240 plus 20, 240 plus 20, 260. If you add this, how much we got? This is 140 and this is 120. That if you add, we got 260, that is 540 degree. 2x is equals to 540 degree minus 260 degree. Therefore, 2x is equals to, if we subtract like this, that is what we got, 280 degree. That is x is equals to 280 minus divided by 2, that is equals to 140 degree. What we got here? Here we got 140 and here also it will be 140. Have you understood students? I hope you follow. Here also pentagon given, but it is a regular pentagon, means all the sides are equal and also all the angles in this are equal, and we have to find the value of x. The angle measure of the pentagon pentagon, we know that directly we can write angle measure is equals to the angle sum for pentagon. That is angle sum for pentagon. Pentagon is equals to 540, we know that, but it is given that all the sides equal and all the angles equal. That means it is a regular pentagon. Therefore, all the angles equals means we have to take all the angles x. One of the angle is given, that is x. We have to make it all the angles equal to x. That is equals to x plus x plus x plus x plus x is equals to 540 degree. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5x is equals to 540 degree. And x is equals to 540 by 5. That is x is equals to 1s are 0s are 5 8s are. Therefore, angle x is equals to 180 degree. Okay. Let us come to the end of my class. Keep watching my videos and do subscribe. Thank you for watching, students. Okay, bye bye.